Oh, look at this one. Bentley, baby. I would look good in one of those. That looks nice. Sweet. Everything you can think of, you find at those auctions. Oh, I think I see an Audi over there. If I park this car in Western Road, I'll get a speeding ticket. Oh man. Just once I start it up, the cop's just gonna come. Whoop, where you going, buddy? Nice one. All right. Love it. Oh, BMW guys. Yep, we got a couple of trailers as well, boat. All these cars on the way to, this is all the workers. They're taking the cars into the lanes right now for dealers to beat on them. They're all on the way to the auction lane. It's a whole lot of agency workers on the day of auction because they need tons and tons of drivers. Lots of drivers. Because this is non-stop pretty much till 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's about 9:30 now, so yeah, need a lot of drivers taking those cars in. So let's see if one of those trailers are open. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is open. Ugh. Nice little trailers. Nice big bed here. That looks like a double bed. Pretty cool couch. Kitchen. You could live in here. Little eating area. TV. Microwave, fridge. There's a couch here. Top. Bathroom in here too. Yep, sell every single thing at this auction. Let's go take a closer look at some of the lanes. Now in this area here is transportation. So some dealers have their own truck and trailer to load up. Probably by the end of the auction, inside of this area here will be full of transport trucks like this. You hire those trucks to obviously take the cars to your dealership. So if you have one or two cars, they would still load it up on there with some other dealers' cars. Some dealers have enough cars to fill the entire load and take it to their shop. And some small guys got their own trailer and truck and pull their own car. We have a two-wheel tow truck like with the Rattler system, so we just kind of tow our own cars too as we get it. You'll see that later on in other videos when we bring our cars in, how we tow them. Yeah, but it's auction is going on right now, so this parking lot's empty, but by the end of the parking lot there will be like probably 10 of those tractor trailers in here loading up cars. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's what inside the auction looks like. We could always do more and more detailed videos of that if you like that. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that red button and keep watching.